So today we went to the park. It's super sunny and we enjoyed the sun and the nice weather, and I just wanted to show you how it looks like because it's just amazing. I made myself a nice little salad with rucola and some tomatoes and some
Feta, what is it?
no, this is some cheese. It's goat cheese.
Okay, okay. Yeah, you can tell by the texture.
Yeah.
Nice, super light.
I thought I could take you for a bike ride through Maastricht. Come with me and have a look at the streets, the city, the Maas, and everything else there is to discover.
With a big giant cross. So use a pen, a pencil, whatever you have, just make sure it's big and oversized, and you'll see why in a second.
One cool thing I've learned is how to find a hole in a tire. If it's very small, it can be difficult to find. So all you need is actually some soap and some water. Well, I already kind of know where the hole was, but... And then, once you got it, it's gonna start to make bubbles. One of the reasons why I like Sports so much is because they have these standing desks. Sometimes you meet like-minded people, which happened to me recently. I've met two students who were into yoga, and we did some stretching and yoga exercises during a little studying break, which was great. That's how you do 9s in a master's, 8s and 9s. You have to do this when you go studying. Yes.